Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Kochi tunnels in which the Vietnam War was fought. The tunnels are located close to the Ho Chi Minh City, which is about 200 kilometers away, and they stretched over 200 kilometers. The tunnels are over 200 kilometers. It was built in the 1940s during the French era, and they were initially used by the Viet Minh to fight against the French. However, it was during the Vietnam War against America that the tunnels became a crucial part of the Viet Cong's army. The tunnels allowed the Viet Cong to move undetected, launch surprise attacks on the enemy, and also attack and kill the enemy. For the Viet Cong soldiers, the life in the tunnel was terrible. They spent about 20 to 50, about 20 years in living in the cramped conditions with limited food and water. Diseases were also there, and the tunnels were often flooded during the monsoon. Despite this, the Viet Cong used the tunnel to launch successful attacks on the American and also the South Vietnamese army. The tunnels also served as a hiding place for the civilians, protecting them from bombing. But for the American soldiers, the tunnels were a source of frustration and fear. They were often killed in the tunnels. When I visited the Kochi tunnel, there I saw different kind of traps, like the foot trap, door trap, etc. There are, I also got to know that the Viet Cong soldiers used to cook in the morning, in the dawn, so that the Americans cannot detect the smoke. Also, there are a few tanks which are located in the Kochi tunnel. One tunnel is open for the tourists so that they can experience the life of a Viet Cong soldier. The tunnel was so narrow and so short that we have to crawl through, and it was very hot and humid in there. I also got to know about the special kind of slippers that the Viet Minh soldiers wore. They were a different kind so that the American cannot detect in which direction the Viet Cong soldiers used to move. They were confused in which direction the soldiers moved. Today, the Kochi tunnels are a popular tourist attraction, which offers the visitors a glimpse into the harsh realities of the war. The tunnel have also become a symbol of Vietnamese resilience and determination. Thank you.